Now, from Silicon Valley to old-world luxury, meet the Rolls-Royce Spectre. Rolls-Royce's first all-electric flagship, the Spectre, is a natural evolution for a brand built on silent, effortless power. With 577 horsepower, it glides with authority, prioritizing smooth, endless acceleration over brute force. The Spectre's design is classic Rolls, imposing, elegant, and unmistakable. Range, over 320 miles, enough for any city or country estate visit. But the real magic is inside. The finest leather, wood, and metal, plus the iconic Starlight headliner, now extended to the doors. Customization is limitless. Your Spectre can be as unique as your imagination and budget allows. This isn't just a car, it's a commissioned work of art, tailored to you. Rolls-Royce proves electrification enhances their core values: silence, craftsmanship, and ultimate comfort. The Spectre is a new kind of luxury, one that's as much about the experience as the engineering. It's not about being the fastest, it's about being the most refined. The pinnacle of motoring has gone electric. Rolls-Royce is setting a new standard for bespoke EV luxury. The future is quiet and it's spectacular. The Spectre is proof. Let's move on.